Hey friends, okay, I was just live for like 30 minutes on a bunch of looks for less and free people and Lululemon inspired items, and it started having technical difficulties because it's about to pour here, and so it didn't even let me save to share the link. So I am just hosting a spot where all the things I just shared are in Shoppable. I will be sharing all these. If they already are not on my storefront, I will be sharing them. I'm about to take pictures in these first like 3. So I just wanted to hop on here and tell you guys I'm sorry. I was like answering questions and it just like all of a sudden stopped in the middle of my live, and now I can't even share the link or get back to it. It was technical. We're about to have a huge storm. So before I lose you again, shop my links. Check out my page. I have all of these items besides the first like 4 pictured on my storefront. And for everything that I share, I do a video review and a picture review, including this. This is on my Amazon storefront. And y'all stay safe. We're about to get a rain store here in Nashville. So I just want to pop on. I had like 17,000 people I was talking to and it kicked me off. So I just wanted to say I'm so sorry. And I'll be back maybe tomorrow since it will be sunny.